So, hi, I'm back. Today, I thought I'd record, uh, announcing my sneezes when I get another allergy fit. I'm gonna sneeze. Phew. So, I said I'd announce my sneezes when I get another allergy. Phew. If I can just finish this part. So, when I felt an attack coming on, I started sneezing. I said I'd hit record. So I'm gonna announce my sneezes from now. Or try. I think I'm gonna sneeze. God, these are so big. Okay. I think. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm so bad at this. It's so annoying. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze. Phew! God. I've been sneezing for like a few minutes already. These are just getting like louder and louder. But I'm like torturing myself a bit because I didn't take my allergy medication today. And I'm kind of triggering my allergies right now by leaving my window open. It's just the one thing. My neighbors have to listen to me sneeze like this. It's probably really annoying. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Phew! Oh my god.